Okay, our taco night is going to be tostadas, and how we're going to do it is we just have our little toppings over here. We've got some cilantro, red cabbage, and lettuce chopped up, some tomatoes, some avocado, refried beans. I just bought the pre-made corn tacos. You can of course make those with corn tortillas. Then we have shredded cheese for the top, taco sauce, and I'll put one together for you and show you. Oh, and then the Greek yogurt, I use a sour cream. You can't tell the difference at all. Okay, the first thing is to spread the refried beans on. Mixture. There's not really a wrong way. And some tomatoes. And avocado. Well, avocado is like my favorite thing ever. And put cheese and my fake sour cream on top. And put a little bit of salsa. Okay, put a little salsa and a little bit more mozzarella cheese. There's Charlotte. There's Daddy's. Sam's. Okay, I was gonna show how you eat it. If you don't know. Shut up.
That's my style.